This is a General Motors original equipment remote, and this particular remote is for a Chevy Sonic from years 2012 to 2018. This is a 4-button remote, and it's got the Chevy logo on the back. Whether you have a 3-button, 4-button, or 5-button remote, they're all the same as far as I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. And which remote you have just depends on the car's trim level. These were also called flip key remotes because the key here on the side flips out, so you can use it, and then you can hide it away when you don't need the key. And the way you replace the batteries in these, or battery, just flip the key out. There's a cover here. You can see the seam for the cover, and you just put your thumb or finger underneath this cover and push it out till it opens. And the battery came out with it, but the battery fits in here like this, and it's a CR 2032 battery, and positive plus goes on top. And to put everything back together, you just press this in place. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.